Hello, Mr. Rogers. The Johnson's boy suddenly was there, walking alongside of me. Can I walk with you, Mr. Rogers? All right. I heard a funny joke today. A man was riding along he got lost. You know, he didn't know where he was. And he went up to a farmer and he said to the farmer, "Where's the road to town?" And the farmer said, "I don't know." And the fellow said, "Well, where's the road to the other town?" And the farmer says, "I don't know." The fellow says, "Well, where the road to some other town?" And the farmer says, "I don't know." And the fellow says, "You don't know much, do you?" And the farmer said, "Nope, but I ain't lost." Funny joke, huh, Mr. Rogers? Yes, very funny. I got a new harmonica. Have you? Do you play harmonica? No. I can. Loud noises, unnecessary conversation, worries. You got worries, Mr. Rogers. What's that song you were playing? I mean, a moment ago. I don't know. You got worries, Mr. Rogers. Play your harmonica, son. Okay. He kept playing as he walked alongside of me. And suddenly, I realized that his eyes were on me, as if he wanted to say something to me. Yet, was a way to speak. And then he did speak. You take such big steps, Mr. Rogers. Sorry, that's better. Yes. Are you going anywhere in particular, son? No, sir. No school today? It's Saturday. Oh, I forgot. You didn't know it was Saturday. Sometimes one day gets to be like another. Mr. Rogers, listen. You must wait. Jimmy Doolittle go over with 1,000 flying force, and he'll get Tom out. You just wait and see. Jimmy Doolittle get him away from those Japs. Honest, he will. And then he was gone. I kept on walking.
Good morning, Mr. Rogers. How are you this morning? I'm your neighbor, Mrs. Gibson.
A woman? Yes, by a neighbor. I had seen her once or twice as I walked by. And now, she was there walking with me, a grocery bag on her arm, and talking to me.
It must have rained quite hard last night.
Yes, it did.
All the rain this spring has certainly done wonders for our lawns. I've noticed yours. It's very lovely.
Yes.
Of course, the whole problem is to get someone to the mowing. I saw you talking to little David Miller. I guess the smaller boys of this neighborhood will come into their own. This year, what with the 12 and 14 years old all going off to help on the farms during their vacation.
If the grass grows tall, there'll be no harm.
No, of course no. Did you hear about the Gibson boy?
No.
He was out flying a kite and it fell across those high tension wires over on Oak Street and some of the other boys got a ladder and put it across the telegraph post and were halfway up